Jade plants, Crassula ovata, also known as money plants or lucky plants, are popular succulents known for their thick, fleshy leaves and ease of care. Here's how to grow and care for jade plants. Yichibis, growing jade plants. Yichibis, materials needed. Jade plant cutting or small plant. Pot with drainage holes. Succulent or cactus potting mix. Water. Sunny location. Steps. 1. Choosing a pot. Select a pot with good drainage to prevent water from sitting at the bottom and causing root rot. Terracotta pots are a good choice as they allow the soil to dry out between waterings. 2. Soil preparation. Use a well-draining potting mix specifically designed for succulents and cacti. You can make your own by mixing regular potting soil with perlite or sand. 3. Planting. If you are starting with a cutting, let the cutting dry out for a few days to form a callus over the cut end before planting it. This helps prevent rot. Plant the jade cutting or small plant in the prepared potting mix. Place it so that the base of the stem is just above the soil line. Firm the soil gently around the base of the plant to stabilize it. 4. Watering. Water the plant thoroughly after planting, then let the soil dry out completely before watering again. Jade plants are drought tolerant and prefer to be on the dry side. 5. Location. Place the jade plant in a location where it will receive plenty of bright, indirect sunlight. A south or west-facing window is ideal. Jade plants can tolerate some direct sunlight, but be cautious of intense afternoon sun, which can scorch the leaves. Care tips for jade plants. 1. Light. Jade plants need plenty of light to thrive. Ensure they receive at least 4 to 6 hours of bright, indirect sunlight each day. They can tolerate some direct sunlight, but avoid prolonged exposure to harsh midday sun. 2. Watering. Water the plant thoroughly, then allow the soil to dry out completely before watering again. During the growing season, spring and summer, you can water more frequently. In the dormant season, fall and winter, reduce watering. Overwatering is a common mistake and can lead to root rot. Always check the soil moisture before watering. 3. Temperature and humidity. Jade plants prefer temperatures between 65-75 degrees, 18-24 degrees, during the day and slightly cooler at night. They can tolerate temperatures as low as 50 degrees, 10 degrees, but should be protected from frost. They do well in normal household humidity levels and do not require additional humidity. 4. Fertilizing. Fertilize jade plants once a month during the growing season with a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer diluted to half strength. Do not fertilize during the dormant season. 5. Pruning. Prune jade plants to maintain their shape and remove any dead or damaged leaves. Pruning can also encourage branching and a bushier growth habit. Use clean, sharp pruning shears to make clean cuts. 6. Pest control. Keep an eye out for common pests like mealybugs, spider mites, and scale. Treat infestations promptly with insecticidal soap or by wiping the leaves with a cotton swab dipped in rubbing alcohol. 7. Repotting. Repot jade plants every 2 to 3 years, or when they outgrow their current pot. Choose a pot that is only slightly larger than the current one to prevent excessive soil moisture. Repot during the growing season for best results. By following these steps and care tips, you can enjoy a healthy and thriving jade plant that adds beauty and greenery to your home.